Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. Just going through and picking out some of our radishes. As I'm pulling them out, I noticed the others are getting bigger, so I'm just kind of culling out what I can and taking these tops off and feeding these to the rabbits. But I probably packed it a little bit too tight and didn't get the growth I wanted, but I'm happy with it. I'll do it again. And I didn't get to plant any white radishes, the icicle radishes this year, but I'll catch those at another time. And but I'll have me a few radishes for my salad. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.